In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brushstroke design in Canva. So let's dive right into it and unleash your creativity with this popular graphic design tool. First things first, head over to canva.com. If you haven't logged in yet, now's the time. Being logged in ensures you have access to all your projects and saved designs, making it easier to manage and store your work. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the templates section on the homepage. Templates offer a fantastic starting point by providing a range of design ideas tailored for different uses. In today's example, let's choose a poster template. Posters are versatile and a great choice for showcasing your new brushstroke design. After selecting a poster template, click on Create Blank. This will give you a blank canvas to work on and allow for complete freedom in crafting your design from scratch. Now, let's bring some creativity to our blank page by clicking on the Elements tab on the left-hand panel. In the search bar that appears, type in paintbrush stroke and hit enter. This search will bring up a variety of brushstroke graphics to choose from. When you see the option See All, go ahead and click on it to view the whole collection and select the brushstroke that best fits your creative vision. With our brushstroke picked out, we'll want to refine our design. So click on the X sign next to the graphics option to clear the previous search. Then type stroke frames into the search bar and press enter. Selecting See All will once again let you browse through an array of stroke frames. Pick a frame that complements your earlier selection and adds depth to your work. Now, to personalize your design even more, let's click on Uploads from the left sidebar. This section allows you to incorporate personal images into your design. Select an image from your files and drag it over to the frame on your canvas. Be sure to drop it right into the frame to make it part of your composition. Double-clicking on the image lets you resize and adjust it to fit just right within the frame. Spend a moment here to get everything aligned perfectly to suit your taste. And there you have it, a stunning brushstroke design crafted right in Canva. By learning how to blend elements, frames, and your personal images, you can create eye-catching designs for a multitude of projects. Keep experimenting with different elements and styles to really make your design stand out. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!